महिला शक्ती अभियान फॉर्म जाल्लें आसा, पूण अजून ताका फावो तितली सुवात मेळिल्ली ना. म्हण गोंयच्या पंचायतींनी एकठांय येवन बायलां खातीर जागृताय कार्यावळ करपाची गरज आसा. ते खातीर 18 जुलयाक सेक्रेटेरिएटाच्या सेमिनार हॉलांत आनी मातानी साल्दाना कॉम्प्लेक्सांत कॅम्पाचें आयोजन केलां. म्हण म्हायती नेली रॉड्रिगीस हाणें दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Since the Mahila Shakti Abhiyan committee is formed and the elections were conducted by the BDOs in all the talukas, but still it has not gained the momentum that it should have. And now with the government enhancing our budget to 20 lakhs, we had taken a decision to revive the Yuva wing. We want to have a Yuva wing below 40 years. So I appeal to the panchayats in Goa to any youth who are below 40 years, even if it is gents, because the concept is there in the minds of everybody that Mahila Shakti Abhiyan is a body of elected women. Yes, it is elected women and youth who are gents. So we want to revive this also. So the main reason is I want that all the panchayat ladies of all the panchayats of Goa to get involved and to have capacity building training programs for Mahila Mandal, self-help groups. This is the main aim of Mahila Shakti, and we get funds for this purpose. And the fund flow is going on too slowly because there is lack of involvement of the panchayats. And we are now in the month of August on a mega scale launching a vocational training drive, which we have already started in many panchayats. And if any panchayats want, they should contact our block presidents and give their proposals to us through the block presidents and the managing committee. Now it is a time for the panchayats to come and make the best of these funds, because these funds are for capacity building. Therefore, on 18th of August, we have kept 18th of July, we have kept a program over here in the seminar hall of Secretariat and Matani Saldana complex on the 25th from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So I appeal to the panchayat leaders to come for that program. On Sunday, seeing our work of Mahila Shakti Abhiyan, one NGO from Punjab has approached us and they are going to fund our eye camps. So we have decided, because the time is very less to have this press conference also, this NGO is going to bring the Deputy CM of Jammu and Kashmir to inaugurate this camp. And they have invited, since Digambar Kamath is their very close friend, him to inaugurate this eye camp, which will be held in Majorda. They are going to give 200 people free spectacles, and more than that also they will give us free spectacles, free medicines. Homeopathic camp will be there where free medicines will be given. So I appeal to the villagers of the neighboring vicinity like Nuve, Betalbati, Serauli, Kolva to kindly take the best of benefit of this camp. And our Mahila Shakti members are organizing this camp in collaboration with this NGO Vadayan Da Satkar from Punjab.